Hi friends, and how are you doing today? You're watching YouTube channel RamanIelts Coaching, and I'm your host Raman with a very important update for all of you. If you're planning to take your IELTS exam in the month of March, it can be any time after the 3rd, that is the 12th or 19th or the 26th of March, or even in the month of April or onwards. I have very important information for you that you must not miss, और ये information especially important है for those who are from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and other countries. Well guys, आप मुझे repeatedly contact करते हैं that we really want to improve our writing and reading skills especially, and what we should do about it. And I always recommend you to go for my online program, the IELTS Academic Success, and it's a crash course which is of 2 weeks, but we provide a validity of 6 months, and it is a very extensive program of approximately 60 to 80 hours, and now we are planning to update the program. So why I'm telling you all this? Badi simple si baat hai that when you plan, you sometime run out of time to practice. That's the reason why I'm telling you in advance about this program. And number two, students who contact me from Pakistan, Nepal, they often say that they are unable to purchase the course because of the cost. The fact is that although the program is available at a very reasonable price, that is 4,000 only, if I talk about the academic and GT course for 5,000 only, but when we talk about Pakistan and Nepal and Bangladesh, due to the currency difference, the price sometime increases to almost the double that majority fails to afford. And this is what I want to tell you in this video, that till the end of this month, that is month end sale is going on till 28th of February, and these programs are available at almost half a cost. एकेडमिक कोर्स आपको मिल रहा है सिर्फ 2100 में, जीडी प्रोग्राम ओनली 3100. इसके साथ अगर आप ऐड कर लेंगे हमारा जो 1 मार्च स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है लाइव स्पीकिंग सेशंस जो हम आपके साथ कंडक्ट करने जा रहे हैं, दैट वुड बी द बेस्ट रेसिपी फॉर योर आइल्स प्रिपरेशन. और इससे ज़्यादा आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. कोई इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कहीं आपको एक्स्ट्रा स्टडी मटेरियल या कुछ भी और देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हर एक चीज़ आपको इसी प्रोग्राम में मिलने वाली है. एंड स्टिल इफ़ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बाय द प्रोग्राम, you are going to regret later. So don't waste the opportunity and don't wait for a single second. Download the IELTS coaching application on your Android device and My Institute, and enter the code IELTS on your Apple device, and then check out the day one contents which are as demo free for you, and make the card payment to unlock the programs. If you have any other mode of payment or you are unable to make international card payments, let us know. We will inform you about other modes of payments that you can consider. This is pretty much all in this video, my dear friends, and thanks for connecting. Bye bye for now.